Hello everyone, welcome back to PalettePlay Studios. Today we are diving into a super fun acrylic painting that captures a bird's eye view of a person rowing a boat through a serene water scene filled with lily pads and gentle ripples. Start by sketching the main shapes lightly with a pencil. Begin with the boat. Draw an almond or oval shape slightly tilted diagonally across your canvas. This gives a sense of movement and direction. Inside the boat, draw a circular shape for head of person and add two curved arms reaching out towards the oars. The oars extend outward from both sides. Then, sketch a few circular and oval shapes around the boat for lily pad. Now, let's bring our background, the water. Use shades of deep green, turquoise, and a hint of Persian blue to create a rich water base. Blend the colors in broad, swirling strokes using a flat or a filbert brush. Keep it loose and dynamic. This layer sets the tone for movement. Leave some space around the boat and where the oars will move through the water. This will help us later when we add ripples and water trails. To tie everything together, let's emphasize the motion of the boat through water, using white loosely painted streaks or wave patterns behind the paddles. These strokes give the illusion that the boat is gliding through the lily pads. Add soft highlights along the boat edges and paddles. Now let's fill in the lily pads. Use shades of green ranging from olive to sap green. Paint them in scattered clusters, overlapping and varying sizes. Use darker tones along one edge to give a shadow effect. Once dry, outline lily pads with black or dark green and add center vein details using a thin brush. These outlines will give them that slightly illustrative look. Once the background is dry, move on to the boat. For a warm contrast, I am using burnt sienna or light brown. Outline the boat with a darker brown and fill it using lighter tone to create dimension. Use thin strokes to mark the planks or segments of the boat if you'd like more details. Paint the oars with the same color, extending diagonally outward. Make sure they align with the movement you want to show, like rowing forward. Use darker shades of brown to give dimension inside the boat as well. Now let's add the person. I choose a cheerful yellow for the hat. It stands out beautifully against the green water. You can paint the arms in red or any bright tone. Use dark brown or black to give an illusion of the shoes of that person. The person adds a story to the scene. Are they rowing through a quiet lake, escaping to nature? Let your imagination build a backstory. Now use white or pale blue paint to add water ripples. Focus especially around the boat and the oars. Use swooping curved lines and short dashes to mimic the movement of water. To give the painting life and motion, let's add small blue fish around the boat. Use a flat brush or even a fine liner to create simple curved strokes like little fish swimming around. These final touches make the whole composition come alive. And there you have it, a beautiful top-down view of a rowing boat on a peaceful waterway. I absolutely loved painting this piece, and I hope you enjoyed following along too. If you try this artwork, I'd love to see it. Tag me on Instagram at PalettePlay Studios or drop your art in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell for more weekly art tutorials. Until next time, keep creating, keep playing with your palette and stay inspired.